Welcome to the English for Life channel.
In this series of videos, we will learn about English idioms. So, what are idioms?
Idioms are phrases whose meanings are not literal, often adding color to our language. They often express complex ideas simply. People use idioms to convey thoughts and feelings in a creative way, causing the listener to visualize an idea instead of just hearing the words. One common idiom is cut corners. It means to do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way, often sacrificing quality. For example, if a company cuts corners on safety, they may prioritize profits over the well-being of their workers, leading to potential hazards. Another example could be a student who cut corners on their assignment by copying instead of researching. This often leads to poor results.
See you next video.